Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be making mini puri, sweet mini puri. So we're going to start with 1 cup of wheat flour and 2 teaspoons of sooji rava. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of oil and a pinch of salt. And now you're going to mix it together. And you're going to gradually add some water and turn it into a nice soft dough. Very soft and squishy, yes, like so. And it should be sticky because that means it's ready, and you're gonna add some oil to make it less sticky, so don't worry. So now you can see it's nice and soft. Man, I want to squish that. You're gonna let it rest for 1 to 2 hours, a long time, but it's worth the wait. You're gonna add 2 teaspoons of ghee into a pan and 1 cup of suji rava. Then you're going to lightly roast it. So as you can see, we are roasting it right here. So you're gonna do that and just roast it over and over. The color seems a bit more yellowish. Then you're gonna take a different pan and add 2 cups of water, and you're gonna add your roasted suji rava into it. Then you're gonna mix it well. So it looks something like this. Then you're gonna add 1 cup of sugar so you get that yummy sweetness. We all love that sweet. So keep mixing around. It should be something like this. Like, I'm not sure, but have you ever heard of that cornstarch with the water in it? It's liquidy and solidy at the same time. That's what this should be like. Not liquidy, but it should be flexible. Very flexible. Now you're going to take a very small ball of dough, and you're going to put it on a paper and press. There's no rolling pins for this, as this dough is very, very soft. You're going to take almost the same amount of sweet, so it's very, very sweet, yum, and you're going to wrap it around like a little present, but it's going to be food. Then you're going to make it like normal. Again, no rolling pin, just hands. And make sure to use oil, and it's going to be pretty thick, like thicker than your normal puri. But I mean, like, it makes sense because there's a filling in this one, a very sweet and sugary filling. Then you're going to deep fry it. So let it just fry in there as it's rising. I love it when it gets puffy though. So there it is, frying, ready to be eaten. Yum. And done. Now enjoy. Feed and serve and eat. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.